So this is a double nuke, and put on a stand with two legs, so very difficult for anything to climb up. But if you look there carefully, you can see something's been gnawing away at the entrance. And if we take the lid off, just give me a minute. You can see inside this one it's clear, and the entrance is on that side. But if we open this one, we can see inside. Can you see him? Not only is there a nest, there's a dead mouse in it. So obviously he's had a hard time of it, climbing up here all the time. But it hasn't stopped him. It's amazing. I never noticed this one. I've been checking all the occupied hives and not bothering with this one, assuming it to be empty, so there's a lesson.